Girl, in my sleep, I whoop this hoe. And she know that. But anyway. What's good? What's poppin'? What's poppin', y'all? So, y'all already know what's going on. I'm back with another video. And I have the camera light angle like this because the way the light is on my wall, I wanted my calendar in it. And I like it. So, go ahead and turn on post notifications. Not gonna stop too long. Go ahead and give this video a like because you already know it's a banger. And I want y'all to tune in for the next video. It's gonna be a truth or drink with a special guest. So tune in. It's juicy, y'all, too. Y'all really don't want to miss it. And then I also have a reaction video because I was in somebody's video. It hasn't dropped yet. But as soon as it drops, I'm doing a reaction video. I'm gonna watch it with y'all. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned, okay? Go ahead and subscribe. And let's get into the video. I got my Sprite right here. Okay. I just got PTSD from that other thing exploding.
See, I thought I was shaking it while I was walking.
I gotta go slow. Okay. It's good. Oh. Okay. It's good, y'all. So I'm gonna see how much I can do in 5 minutes. I'm gonna have my timer and I'm gonna do it on my watch so I can see it. If I can even do it. Okay, I can see it. All right, y'all. 5 minutes. Actually, let's do 1 minute. 1 minute. Ready? And go. Excuse me. Y'all, so every time I do, I burp, but they wanted me to do banana and Sprite. I didn't do that one. All right. That was a minute, y'all. Trash. But I don't want to make the video too long. It's other challenges on the way. I'm just trash with these chugging challenges. I don't know why y'all want me to do them, but nope. I spilled it on me too. Spilled it on me. But y'all, if y'all like the video, give it a like. Excuse me. And tell me, comment. Let me know what else y'all want to see. I be seeing what y'all be saying, so it's other videos on the way. Make sure y'all follow all my socials. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Bye, guys. Thumbnail. Boom. What's up, y'all? I am doing my crush's lashes. Alright, introduce yourself.
Who are you?
Hey, I'm
Who are you?
Destiny.
Who are you? Who are you?
So I know I don't have my lashes on. I literally just took it off with some oil because I'm gonna redo mine, but I'm gonna put it in a video also. So that's coming up, and then I have more features. Excited, y'all! So excited! Yeah! Y'all just better stay tuned. You hear me? Stay tuned. Get ready for that. Look at these curls though, y'all. Aren't they popping? Like y'all want a hair care routine? Let me know. Let me know. Miss Kitty. Y'all, I spilled the glue all over me and like all over what I'm using, and that is still everywhere, and I'm just struggling, so I just had to show y'all. So, just like in the other videos, you put the lashes under, but not quite under the eyelid, right on the lash line.
Reloaded.
Make sure you guys go ahead and follow my social medias and subscribe if you haven't. Like this and follow my Lash page especially. I'm gonna put that up here and then my regular page down there.